this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful quick meal espresso machine. It comes to us with like without pressure or less than normal. So when the customer was trying to back flush the machine, it wasn't get that pressure from there, and even when we wanna pour a shot, it wasn't like that good. So I recommended a tune-up for the machine and replacing this water pump here. But yeah, the customer rejected the tune-up and they decided just to replace the water pump. So I did replace it and I cleaned the machine, but I cannot descale it or do like deep cleaning as supposed to. But I still believe the machine needs like to be cleaned and both boilers need to be flushed. So anyway, let's go ahead and test the machine and make an espresso shot on it. As you can see from here, you can see even the portafilter going beyond like 90. So the gasket there is not well. Actually, they can replace that gasket by themselves on the shower screen, but I don't recommend if you don't know well how to descale the machine in the right way, so you can kill the heating element. You need to be like careful with that. Anyway, let's go ahead and test the machine and make espresso shot on it. By mistake, I opened the hot water. Okay, this is perfect shot coming out from this quick meal, thick crema, 3 layers of coffee. So that's perfect. I like also to back flush it to show how that actually even the water filter needs to be cleaned. That takes time too. Let me do it with the blind basket, like flush it and see how that goes. Again. You can watch here. It's perfect. So let me test the hot water. Actually, the steamer first. That's okay. And the hot water. And the machine refills right away. But I still insist the machine needs a tune-up in order not to get any other problems, because this water pump is not very old. It's from 2021. Actually, they recommended to replace it like 5 to 6 years, but I see a lot of water pumps working way more than that. But this is full of scale and you cannot clean it. So I don't want that to happen to any of the other components in the machine. That's why I recommended the tune-up. Thank you for watching.